in the previous video we saw about the temperature scale, heat, temperature, thermal equilibrium, and the different scales or Kelvin scale, Fahrenheit scale, and the Celsius scale. We also saw about the upper fixed point, lower fixed point, steaming point, freezing point, and ice point, and steam point. So now we'll be seeing about converting temperatures from one scale to another. So the basic formula is name the unit minus the lowest fixed point by the division is equal to the other name minus other unit minus lower fixed point by division. So this we have given us a difference between Celsius and Fahrenheit. So unit name stands for unit. So unit is Celsius and here unit is Fahrenheit. Lower fixed point is 0 and here lower fixed point is 32, and the number of divisions in Celsius scale is 100 and number of divisions in Fahrenheit scale is 180. So we get it as C minus 0 degrees by 100 is equal to 5 F minus 32 by 180, which can also be written as C by 100 is equal to F minus 32 by 180. So C is equal to F minus 32 into 100 by 180. So when we cancel 100 by 180 we get 5 by 9. So through this we can say that 1 Celsius is equal to 5 by 9 Fahrenheit minus 5 by 9 into Fahrenheit minus 32. So the other way is F is equal Fahrenheit is equal to 1.8 Celsius plus 32. So next we'll be seeing about the Celsius and Kelvin scale. So same thing, C minus 100 by 100 is equal to K minus 273 by 100. So C minus 0 is C. So then 100 by 100 into K minus 273, which is equal to K minus 273. So Celsius is equal to Kelvin scale minus 273 and Kelvin scale is equal to Celsius scale plus 273. And then between Fahrenheit and Celsius scale are same. So this as the divisions are different, there will be a point where both the temperatures will be same. So here Celsius, we can take it as an equation. Celsius scale is equal to Fahrenheit scale is equal to X. Then X is equal to 5 by 9. So here C we can take it as X, temperature is equal to 5 by 9 into F minus 30, X minus 32. So as Celsius scale is equal to Fahrenheit scale and both are equal to X, so we took the above equation, that is F by 9 into F minus 32 is equal to C. So C is taken as X and F is also taken as X. So then when we calculate, then we get 9x minus 5x is equal to 100, and then 4x is equal to 160 minus 160, and so finally we get it as x is equal to minus 160 by 4, which is minus 40. So minus 40 degrees Celsius is equal to minus 40 degree Fahrenheit. So here are a few examples. So 98.6 is the basic body temperature. So it is about 37 degrees Celsius. So when we convert it into Celsius, 1.8 Celsius into 32, so we get it as 66.6 by 1.8, which is nothing but 37. So next is 40 degrees Celsius to Kelvin. So we saw that Kelvin is Celsius plus 273, which is 40 plus 273. So 40 degrees Celsius is equal to 313 degree Fahrenheit. So next we'll be seeing about the different types of thermometers. So the first type of thermometer is minimum thermometer, which records the minimum temperature. So alcohol is used because it has a very low freezing point. And maximum thermometer is a thermometer which records the maximum temperature. So here mercury is used, as mercury has a higher melting point. So basically we saw that all liquids, metals and gases expand on heating. So there are totally three methods of transfer of heat, that is conduction, convection and radiation. So conduction is the process by which the transfer of heat takes place through the movement of the molecules. So the molecules do not not movement of the molecules but transfer of heat from one molecule to another. So for example, you are touching a hot vessel, then the heat from the hot vessel moves to your hand, so this is conduction. So there are totally two substances based on conduction, that is heat conductor and heat insulator. So the substances which allow heat to transfer through them are called as heat conductors, example iron, gold. And the substances that do not allow heat to transfer are called heat insulators, such as wood, rubber, etc. So it happens through solid medium. So next we are going to see about the convection. So convection is the process by which the transfer of heat takes place to the actual motion of the matter. So solid particles cannot move, so this takes place only in the liquids. So for example, when you heat a pan full of water, first the water in the bottom gets heated up, and the heated up water moves up, and the cool down the top water which is cool comes down. Then this process repeats, the hotter water going up and colder water coming down. So this process is called convection. So this is seen in many substances such as fluids, that is mainly gases and liquids. So in the next video we'll be seeing about the about the third type of heat transfer, and also about the two examples of heat transfer through convection. Thank you, and watch the next video.